Hello again, my name is Nur Aini, and thank you for having me to share my important experience and the reason behind it. Before I start, let me show you a picture. Yes. Uh, have you ever or familiar with this picture? I think probably if you have a garden or your parents have a field, this picture, yeah, a whole, these tools are familiar with you. And here's I tell you why this picture related to my important experience. Here we go. Uh, One sweltering day, an unexpected accident happened occur in my parents' cassava field. I was just 6 years old, so I was a kid. So I often accompany my parents go to the field. At the time, my brothers and my parents will going together because I was just a kid, so there's nothing important to do or help my parents. Like my brothers help my parents, I just playing around or just catch some bugs and make uh, make some squishy from the soil, I think, yeah, whatever. And then because I was a kid, so my curiosity is coming out when I saw my brother, when I saw my friend in front of me just hoeing the field. So I came to here, and then my brothers told me to I go away from him because it's dangerous with a kids, and then our distance is really close when my brothers is going in front of me, but I ignore him warning my brother warning me to get get away, so you go away from him. And then I think I go, but I don't know to where I'm gonna do or doing something. I come again to come closer with my brother, but this time my brother didn't notice me very well. So distance in front of me, our distance from my brother is really close. It's really close. And you know what the accident happened? Yeah, my head is head is blood because the who the who the who like uh, terkena in my head, and then I was shocked and screamed like, "Oh, mama, my head!" And then my brother just shocked too, and then he grabbed me and see my head. And lucky me, the who is thumb, so my head is not blood or like had a fracture or something dangerous. And then we also panic, and eventually my parents didn't notice this accident. So my brother, because he scared if my parents know the accident, my parents may make me get angry. So we hiding it this accident. And later on, I think week later, after this accident, I don't directly tell my mother. So, uh, 1 week later, I think my head is sick. I have headaches, and then when I check, so my head is crumbled. I think from the accident, my health is naked or bad, but it's not dangerous. Yeah, and then I tell my mother what actually happened, why my head is sick, and my mother was mad at me because this accident really dangerous, but I didn't tell my mother. And then eventually we going to the hospital and like check up, and after check up, thank God I don't get like serious issue with my brain. Just uh, the doctor give me the medicine and don't have like ronse or apa namanya, what I can't do. So there's nothing dangerous because my head is like sedikit luka. this 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 head is not bleeding too much. I think the luka not really big. So yeah, I take the medicine, and later on my head is well. And yeah, this accident taught teaching me, and why I let you guys know this accident. First, I learned is the importance of safety first. Wherever you go, make sure you prioritize the safety, especially for children. You have to maximize, avoid the things can dangerous things may be happen. So, and then I have to listen each other people, like my brother have to say to go away, but I ignore him, so I have to listen people. So I think this accident uh, teach teach me to listen other people, and I hope this story can people get some information and can learn from me to listen other people. Well, thank you for listening, and see you next time.